Exercise 44.2. The question says, question number 1, the probability that Husna will do the washing up tonight is 3 by 8. What is the probability that she will not do the washing up? If the probability that Husna will do the washing up tonight is 3 by 8, then not do the washing up will be 1 minus 3 by 8. Very simple one. Just you will subtract from 1. So 1 minus 3 by 8. So 8 is our LCM. 8 1 is 8 minus 3. So that will be 5 by 2. Done. Here the probability that Chris will get a motorcycle for his 16th birthday is 0.001. So what is the probability that he will not get a motorcycle? So just 1 minus 0.001. So if we want to subtract 1.000 minus 0.001, then it will be 999.0. So answer will be 0.999. Done. Very simple idea. Number 3, in a game of tennis, you can only win or lose. Only two options. Only you can win or you can lose. A draw is not possible. Kasim plays Roshan at tennis. The probability that Kasim wins is 0.7. So what is the probability that Roshan wins? So the probability of Roshan wins will be 1 minus 0.7 because only two persons are there. So if Kasim win, then Roshan lose. If Kasim lose, then Roshan win. So we can say here the probability that Roshan wins will be 1 minus 0.7. 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3. Done. Question number 4. Question number 4 says James has 10 t-shirts. That is the important part. 4 of them have pictured on. James takes off one of the t-shirt at random. What is the probability that it does not have a picture? The probability of getting a t-shirt that has no picture, that will be 6 by 10. Why 6? Because if 4 of them have picture, then the remaining 6 of them have no picture. So 6 by 10 or 3 by 5. Or we can say probability of number of t-shirt which has a picture. We can write probability of picture t-shirt is 4 by 10. 4 by 10 means 2 by 5. So probability of not picture t-shirt will be 1 minus 2 by 5. So 5 is our LCM. 5 on the 5 minus 2. So answer will be 3 by 5. Look, both way we will get same result. Now question number 5. Question number 5 says a bag contains red, white and blue balls. I pick one ball out of the bag at random. Now the question here, two information has been given, that is the probability that I pick a red ball. So probability of picking a red ball is 1 by 12. And probability of picking a white ball, is 7 by 12. Now the question says, what is the probability that I pick a blue ball? So probability of a blue ball will be 1 minus probability of red plus probability of white. So 1 minus 1 by 12 plus 7 by 12. Simple. So 1 minus here 12 is our LCM. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Now 12 is our LCM. 12 on the 12 minus 8 will be 4 by 12 or 1 by 3. That is our answer. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is a shop has black, gray and blue dresses on a rail. So in this shop, black, gray and blue dresses are there. So Meena picks one at random. The probability that she picks a gray dress is 0.2. The probability that she picks a black dress is 0.1. So what is the probability that she picks a blue dress? So probability of blue dress will be, 1 minus probability of gray plus probability of black. So 1 minus 0.2 plus 0.1. So 1 minus 0.3. So what will be the answer? 0.7. So probability that she picks a blue dress is 0.7. Right now, question number 7. Question number 7 says, when she goes to the gym, Yasmin runs, cycles, or rows fast. The probability that she runs fast is 7 by 20. The probability that she cycles fast is 9 by 20. So what is the probability that she rows fast? So probability of she rows fast will be 1 minus 7 by 20 plus 9 by 20, like before. Okay. So 1 minus, when denominators are same, so we'll add the numerator. So it will be 7 plus 9, that will be 16. So 20s are LCM, 20 minus 16 will be 4. So answer will be 1 by 5. Done. And last one, question number 8. The table shows the probability of getting some of the scores when a biased winner numbered 1 to 6 is found. Here you can see the data that is in this data. We can see that in this table, score 1, the probability is 0.27. Score 2, probability is 0.16. Similarly, score 3, probability of 0.14. Score 5, probability is 0.22. Score 6, probability is 0.1. So what is the probability of getting a 4? So how can we find out this probability? Very simple. So what is the total probability? Total probability must be 1. So here, if I want to find out the probability of getting 4, if we want to find out the probability of getting 4, that means 1 minus, we need to add the remaining. 1 minus 0.27 plus 0.16 plus 0.14 plus 0.22 plus 0.1. So if we add, then what will we get? 1 minus, so 0.89. So 1 minus 0.89 will be 0.11. And that is our final answer.